Hey, Judy. My favorite girl, the brave girl. Hello, all the way from Butuan, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. And all the way from Masbate. All the way from the land of promise. But then as a ring back.
Until land of promise.
And all the way from Bukidnon.
Like very good siya.
Wow. Hey guys, so we're here at Coffee Project and with Nikki, Judy, Lee, and Steph. It's Saturday today and thankful wala na dayon ang makeup class. Pero layang na dayon today. We're gonna be going to Jason's mansion for a buffet celebration. So housewarming niya. Hi Jace, we're gonna see you in a bit. Welcome guys! Very clean! We're here guys, finally! Hey guys! So we're finally here sa abode sa family home ni Jason. So again, among purpose good is to mananaw something for our subject. At the same time, mag-housewarming.
Nerdy kaya itong movie marathon.
Ang sali.
Where yung movie marathon, nag-take of notes.
What's your preload? Preload? What's your preload course and where?
Computer Science, Xavier University.
Wow! Judy. What's your preload and course and where?
And why?
And why and how?
BA Mass Communication, UP Cebu.
Wow! Jason with... Oy, by the way, nagpa-facial pa si Jason.
Hey, disclaimer, good na.
Preload course and where? What's good?
Business and Marketing Management, FSUU, Butuan City.
Wow! Nikki.
Kaan?
Preload course.
Kaan BA Financial Management, Xavier University.
Hello!
This is Computer Science at Xavier University.
Yay! Yes! TCM, Technology Communication Management, USTP. Okay, break time muna, then marathon na po din naman. So far, iba ang host natin na hindi mag-serve for dinner, guys. Plate in. Fresh from the microwave. Thank you, Jason! Guys, ginani kita ni Jason kay first and last na daw ni... Siya kahasol ba mananog Jessapan? First one and last na. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese!